In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the View All button in Shopify. This task is incredibly useful for those looking to customize their online store and enhance the shopping experience for their customers. So let's dive right in and walk through each step to make this change seamlessly and effectively. To begin, make sure you're on the home page of your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, locate the section labeled Online Store from the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will drop down a few more options for you to choose from. You're specifically looking for the ellipses icon. That's the three little dots you often find indicating more actions can be taken. Click on those ellipses, and from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Edit Code. This is essentially where all the magic happens. It might look a bit daunting if you're not used to code, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Now that you're inside the code editor, it's time to search for the file we need. Utilize the search bar located at the top of the file panel. Type in ndefault.json. This is the file that contains all the text content for your store, including various buttons, labels, and descriptions in English. This step is crucial because this file serves as a repository for customizable text within your Shopify theme. Once you locate and open the ndefault.json file, you're ready for the next step. In this file, perform another search, this time looking for View All. This text represents the button's original label that we want to change. It might be helpful to scroll through the list of results carefully to ensure you've found exactly what you're looking for. After locating it, you can go ahead and change the text from View All to something that better fits your brand or desired style. For instance, you might change it to Explore More, offering a more inviting and engaging call to action for your visitors. It's a small change, but it can make a significant difference in how customers interact with your store. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your new button label is updated on your site. This is a vital step. Otherwise, all your hard work might not reflect on your live store. Double-check that everything is saved correctly, and it wouldn't hurt to navigate back to your homepage and refresh it just to verify that your changes have gone live and are displaying as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your View All button in Shopify. By altering this text, you've taken another step toward creating a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers. Personalizing these small details can help reinforce your brand's identity and contribute to a cohesive online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.